When you're finished cooking in a wok, you should empty the wok into a hotel pan or onto a plate. Put the food where it belongs. And then before walking away, you should reach down, turn the heat off so that debris in the wok does not scorch. Immediately reach over, focus the faucet behind the wok over the center of the wok, and put a small amount of clean water in it. Once the clean water is in, you ignite the flame again, turn the water off, and then using a coarse scrub brush, scrub the debris out of the wok, bringing the water up to a quick boil. Rid the wok of any grease, turn off the heat, pour the water down the back drain of the wok, and then using a clean rag, wipe out the wok, make sure it's completely free of grease and debris, and if it's to be used again, it's ready for use. If it's not going to be used again this shift, lightly oil it with a thin coat of vegetable oil to prevent it from rusting.